In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a QR code or Wisetag on your Wise account. This is a really nifty feature that allows you to share your account details easily and securely, especially if you're dealing with payments or transfers. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Wise app on your smartphone. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll notice that on the top left corner of the screen, there's an icon with your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. When you do, you'll be brought to a new screen that gives you an overview of your profile. On this profile page, you should see your Wisetag. For those of you who might be unfamiliar, a Wisetag is essentially your unique identifier within the Wise ecosystem. By tapping on this, you can access additional features related to your account. After you select your Wisetag, you will see a QR code appear on your screen. This QR code is unique to your Wise account and is directly linked to it, which means anyone who scans it can access the information necessary for any financial interactions you might want to share. It's a convenient tool for simplifying transactions, especially for those who prefer digital processes over traditional ones. The next step is quite straightforward. Once the QR code is visible, you have the option to either copy the Wisetag link or download the QR code. One great tip here is that downloading the QR code can be incredibly handy. You can print it or save it onto your device, which makes it easy to share with others when you need to. Having it saved as an image also allows you to paste it directly into messages or emails, providing an efficient way to share payment details without error. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now easily enable and share your QR code or Wisetag from your Wise account. This can be especially useful for quick and seamless transactions. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Wise's customer support or check out their online guides for more detailed help. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on all things Wise. Have a great day and happy sharing.